Very good morning, students. Our topic is different type of disorders in the children. We have discussed about two disorders. One is ADHD, attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, and second was yesterday lecture we have discussed SPD, that is sensory processing disorder. And now today third one we are discussing the autism spectrum disorder, ASD, autism spectrum disorder. In this, what are the features of this kind of disorder? That child have difficulty in communication, language problem, they are not able to select the words, social skill and behavior. They behave differently than other children. Second feature, difficulty in social interaction. See, behavior and social skill, automatically there will be problem in social interaction, means they will avoid interaction with the society around the child. They will avoid talking. Now third symptom is children with ASD behave differently or repeat same activity again and again. Means what other children are behaving, they behave different than them and repeat the things again and again. Whatever they are doing, suppose they are touching their bag or books, same books they will be touching many times, unnecessary. This kind of symptom will be there. Then they avoid eye contact and prefer to be alone. Loneliness they prefer. They always with the teacher or with friends, they will avoid eye contact. डायरेक्ट आंखों में आंखें डाल के बात करने की इनमें गट्स नहीं होता, कम हिम्मत होती है. एंड दे want to remain alone. This loneliness is dangerous thing. No child should remain alone. They should play with the group. They don't like to be embraced. What is embraced? Embraced means hug करना, गोदी में लेना, उसको प्यार करना. This kind of they don't like. Embracing, they just feel that I should not be embraced by anybody. They repeat words and actions again and again, that already I have said. Then they feel difficulty in expressing their needs and emotion. This is communication problem, as I said in the beginning. They have difficulty in communication. So they are having difficulty in communication, they are not able to select words. This is the reason they are not able to express their need and emotions. Then they are very sensitive to the taste, smell and sound. They are very sensitive. What taste, if they don't like, they will say no, I will not eat this thing, this taste is not good. Smelling also they are very sensitive. And sound, some sounds they may not like. This kind of sensitiveness is there in these children. What are the causes of ASD, autism spectrum disorder? Number one is genetic factor. In genetic factor, some 10% it is children of ASD. It is because of genetic transmission of genes by mother or father or both. Second genetic factor is environmental factor. Environmental factor is important. It is related with the diet also, related the environment around the child. Then exposure to certain drugs and toxins, or nowadays pesticides and all, insecticides in our food grains and all, farmers and all, they are using for more production. This also comes environmental factor. Some percentage of that medicine which is used in the food development of food grains, that may affect the child. So always whenever you are purchasing wheat and all that, those should be washed properly and then used. Otherwise it will give side effect to any of the small children. And last factor is brain development. Their brain development is also differently. Their brain working is faster than any other child, and even more cells they are having in growing age. They have more cells than required. How much cells are required for the brain, more than that they develop. Because of that also they behave like this. So take care. this kind of problem should not be there in the children. And most important, that is rather combination of genetic factor also appear the risk. Means genetic factor and environmental factor, that will also combine, and later on there will be a faster brain development in the beginning years, that will cause lot of problem to the child. So these are the causes of ASD and symptoms also ASD I have explained. In our next lecture we will be discussing about OCD, that is obsessive compulsive disorder. And today's lecture is over here itself. Take care. Always when you go out, take precautions. Have a healthy day. Thank you.